Matindi ang ginawang harassment ngayon, kahapon pala no, ng China sa Pilipinas no. If I'm not mistaken, dalawang barko ng Pilipinas, BIFAR no, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, ang nasira dahil sa pambobomba na naman ng water cannon ng dalawang Chinese ships. Basahin ko na lang yung balita ng Philippine News Agency. Okay. Sabi, Chinese Coast Guard and Chinese Maritime Militia vessels water cannoned yet again Philippine resupply boats and their escorts that were on regular rotation and resupply mission to the BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal. The latest harassment damaged 2 of the 4 Filipino ships, but the RORE mission was carried out according to the NTF West Philippine Sea. Actually, meron pa nga kahapon, di ba? Ito yung nangyari kahapon, mapakita ko sa